Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see who screenshot your Instagram story. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram and post a story and wait for few hours to check who watched your story. So let me show you that I posted a story 10 minutes ago and one person watched my story. You can see that. So might be possible that person screenshot my story because there is no other option to see. You can see all your people that watch your story, and once you see these all people, so you can guess that might be any one of them screenshot your story. So this is the only method possible to check that. So by following these steps you can easily see who screenshot your Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.